Hey, hello everyone. Let's quickly look about Playwright installation in this video. It's a brand new series about using Playwright with JavaScript, right? First, open your Visual Studio Code and create a blank folder in your desktop or some other place in your system. Okay, then we have to open the folder, go to File, and then click on Open Folder. I already created this folder pw.test means playwright.test and select the folder, click on select the folder. Okay, and I already created this file intro.js. In your case it might be the blank folder without any file. Okay, I just created this file to tell about the playwright because before installing playwright, let's understand a few points about playwright. So let's see what is Playwright now. So Playwright is an open source Node.js based automation framework for web end-to-end testing. It is reliable. It's a fast way to test modern web applications across different browsers, Chromium, Edge, WebKit, as Safari and all. Okay. Basically, have it in mind that Playwright is an automation tool for web end-to-end testing. Okay, it's the latest one by Microsoft, right? So before using Playwright, you need to have some applications installed in your machine, right? So those are all the prerequisites. So as Playwright is built on top of Node.js, you need Node.js to be available in your system, and also for IDE, Visual Studio Code is required. Okay, if you don't have any idea about how to install Visual Studio Code and how to install Node.js, I have separate videos for this in my YouTube channel QA Thoughts. Please refer those videos. I will give it in the description also. Please watch and install Visual Studio Code and Node.js. These two softwares are necessary in order to work with Playwright. Okay, and also before starting working on Playwright, we need to have basic understanding about JavaScript. So we are going to code in this series. We are going to code. We are going to perform automation in Playwright using JavaScript only. Okay, so we need to have a basic understanding of JavaScript. I created a series of videos on JavaScript which are required for Playwright testing in my YouTube channel QA Thoughts. Please refer and watch those. Okay. Now, having those intro apart, now let's see the Playwright installation. Okay, so this Playwright installation can be done in two ways, right? The one is using VS Code plugin. The plugin name is Playwright Test for VS Code. Okay, another one is via NPM command, that is using Node Package Manager. First, let's see each of these one by one. First, let's install Playwright using VS Code plugin. Okay, and the plugin name is Playwright Test for VS Code, right? As we know it already, go to extensions and here type Playwright. Okay, the first result will come from Microsoft. So this is the plugin Playwright Test for VS Code. Install the plugin. Okay, once the Playwright this plugin is installed, then go to the Explorer and in your menu click on view and click on command palette. Okay, in command palette if you type install Playwright, this option will come, test install Playwright. Okay, click on that and then you will see these three checkboxes. Now I want to do only with the Chromium browsers, means Chrome and Edge, so I'm unchecking Firefox and WebKit. Okay, and I don't want to use this GitHub actions right now, so I'm unchecking that, and I want to use JavaScript. Okay, by default Playwright uses TypeScript. I want to go with JavaScript because JavaScript is the popular programming language for modern web applications. So I want to use JavaScript along with in order to use in Playwright. Okay, so I'm gonna select this checkbox Chromium and use JavaScript and click OK. Right, so this will install Playwright in your terminal screen. Let me close this and let me expand this. Okay, so what's happening is it is installing the, and first it is initializing the npm project and then it is installing the Playwright. Okay, and we can see it is downloading the browsers also. It is downloading the Chromium browser, and then that's it, the Playwright installation is successful. Okay, so at the end of Playwright installation, what at all you can see in the same folder which you have opened is, you can see node modules and you can see some test. They have given some by default some test, and then this two files package.json which means it is a NPM project, and playwright.config.js. Okay, if these node modules test and package.json, log.json, and playwright.config.js, these are all installed, means Playwright is installed successfully in your machine. Okay, so this is one way, as I told already. This is one way of installing Playwright, right? Means this is using the VS Code plugin. The another way to install Playwright plugin is, I mean, install Playwright is using the Node Package Manager command. Okay, let's see that also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this folder. I've created one more folder also in my desktop. I'm gonna open that file, open folder. I'm gonna open the folder that is named as npm.test. Okay, select the folder. Now this folder doesn't have any commands. Now I'm going to install Playwright using npm command. Okay, for that we have to use the terminal. So on your menu, click on terminal, new terminal. Okay, in your terminal, what the command you need to type is npm, okay, init playwright @later. So what it will do is it will initialize the npm project and it will install the latest playwright version. Okay, so it is asking me, do you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript? Using a down arrow, select JavaScript and click enter. Okay, and then where do you want to put your test? End-to-end test, let's say test folder itself. You want to use the GitHub Actions workflow, let's have it as false. And install Playwright browsers, which can be done via another command also. I'm gonna say that, okay, let's install it right now. True. Okay, so now what's happening is it is installing the npm project, and then that is installing the Playwright. And what will happen is it will install the required browsers also. Yeah, this is what is it? npm install saved. Okay, this is Playwright in say, test installation, and then yeah, downloading the browsers, right? So it download all the browsers, like what and all is required, right? Chromium, WebKit and all. Right, finally the Playwright is installed. So we have this final option, happy hacking, and with the Playwright logo. And as I told already, we have this folders, node modules, package.json, playwright.config.json and all. Is that means if your Playwright is installed successfully. Okay, and in order to see whether Playwright is installed successfully or not, we can, I think we can try using a command also, npx playwright hyphen version. Yeah, with this command you can see Playwright is installed and the version is 1.47.2, right? Now you can see the command, right? So this command name is I mean npx playwright hyphen version, which will give you the version which is installed, 1.47.2. Okay, and also if you go to package.json, there also you can see under dev dependencies Playwright is installed, right? The latest version is 1.47.2, and for node it is installed 22.5. Okay, so yeah, these are all, this is how the Playwright is needs to be installed. As we told already, it can be installed in two ways. One is via VS Code plugin, Playwright Test for VS Code, and another one is via npm command. Okay, now Playwright installation is successful. Let's talk about other concepts in next video. Thanks for watching.